How to know if someone has restricted you on Instagram. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. So first of all, let me just restrict my another account. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then tap on restrict. So my another account has been restricted successfully. Go back and right here move into your inbox and then tap on requests. Here you can see that my another account has been restricted. Now let me just go back and move into my another account. Let me search for the account that I have restricted this account. Well, I have searched this account easily, but you can see that there is no way to find out if this person has restricted my account. There is also no feature or the option in the settings, so you cannot actually know if someone has restricted your account on Instagram. All you can do is wait for the Instagram to update this feature. So this was for today and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.